Yeah, children. So on coordinators we were doing, we completed the first exercise, children. So coming to the next exercise number 6.8 in Manjit Singh. In Manjit Singh, 6.8, first question, children. Examples I'm telling. See here. The population of place increased from 54,000 to children. Children, the population in the town was initially 54,000 children. Okay, so at the rate of 5% per annum, at the rate of 5% per annum increase was there in the population, children. What would be the population in 4 years? What would be the population in 4 years? So, children, this will take as principal. This will take a rate of interest. He's asking what will be the population after 4 years. So, first, Raghuram, can you tell Raghuram, 4 years? He's asking what will
Yes,
be
sir.
the
54,000 into.
54,000
Yes, sir.
into
Amount is equals to 54,000 into 1 plus 4 by 1 plus 5 by 100 whole to the power 4.
one of you keep calculator ready, please.
54,000 into
Uh,
54,000 into 105 into by 100 whole to the power 4. 54,000 into 105 into 105 into 105 into 105 divided by 100 into 100 into 100.
Okay, 100 into 100 into 100 into 100. Okay, so after 4 years, the population would have become, after 4 years, the population will become, children, here, in this case, mm, uh, after 4 years, they asked, children, yeah, can anyone help me, children, after 4 years, how much would be the population? 3 zeros gone, 3 zeros gone, children, little bit big, some only. Yes, can anyone help me? How much would be the population? You have to calculate this whole thing, children. Why you have to keep? Okay. Second question. Pravalika, can you tell second question?
Yes, sir.
The count of the
Sir,
bacteria was increasing at the rate of
62,511, sir.
and
Population
62,000
62,511.
511
Yes, sir.
is population after 4 years.
After 4
Thank
years.
you, ma'am. Thank you so much. So the population of a bacteria, Pravalika, is increasing at the rate of 2.5% per hour. Per hour. Okay. Find the bacteria count at the end of 2 hours. After 2 hours, what will be the bacteria count? If initially there was a 5,06,000 bacteria, initially. After 2 hours, what will be the count? Yeah.
A is
Tell me.
equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of N.
Mhm.
A is equal to 5,06,000 into 1 plus 2, 2.5 by 25 by
No,
2.5 by
2.5.
100 whole
Okay.
to the power of 5,06,000 into 1 or 2.5 by 100 whole to the power of 2.
This point, if I remove here, 10 will come. So
I
506,000 into
1 or
1025
1025 into 1025
1025 by, see, if I remove one point here, 1,000, no? So
1,000
1,000 into
into
1,000.
1,000.
1,000 into 1,000. After 2 hours, the population of bacteria will become 5,31,616. After 2 hours, the population of bacteria will become this much. Okay, next, Surya.
Yes, sir.
A scooter was bought for rupees 4,200,000. Scooter was bought for 42,000 rupees. Scooter. It is depreciating. It is decreasing at the rate of 8% per annum. It is decreasing, not increasing. It is decreasing. Find its value after 1 year. After 1 year, what will be its value? Amount is equal to P into 1
Sir, P into 1 plus R by 100.
plus or minus R. Plus or minus R.
Sir, minus.
Why minus?
Sir, because it is decreasing.
Yeah, depreciation. Depreciation. Increases plus depreciation. Yeah, tell me. Initially 42,000 was the scooter rate. Now,
Yes.
at the rate of 8%, if it is depreciating, what will be its cost after 1 year?
Yes. 100 minus
8 is 92
8,
by 100.
92. Yes. Cancel.
So its cost would
420
be,
into 92.
So
its cost would be,
38,640.
thank you, ma'am, 38,640 rupees. Its cost after 1 year at this rate of depreciation. Understood? Surya?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next, Vedant.
Yes, sir.
See, the value of a flat, the value of a flat is 5 lakhs. The value of a flat is 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs. Okay, it's depreciating at the rate of 10% per annum. 10% per annum depreciation. Depreciation is decreasing the rate. Okay, in how many years will its value become? In how many years will its value become 3,64,500? He's asking you to find n this time. Would you
Okay,
like
sir.
to?
Yes.
So amount is equal to principal into
Amount, sir. Amount is equal to P into 1 minus, sir. I cannot see the video or hear you, sir.
why?
Sir, I'm not able to see the video.
Children, you are not able to see the video. Children, others.
Sir, my network is slow. I'm not able to see your video, sir.
Okay, then I will ask Raghuram. Raghuram, you tell me.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
3,64,500 is equals to 5 lakhs into 1 minus r by 100 is equals to into 5 lakhs 1 minus 10 by 100 whole to the power n.
5 lakhs will go down.
3,64,500 by 5 lakhs is equals to 90 by 100 whole to the power n.
This 0 1.
5,
3645 by
3645 by 5,000 9 by 110 whole to the power n.
9 by 10. So what we'll do is see here. What we'll do 5 7s are 35. 5 2s are 10. 5 9s are 40. 729 is cube of 9. Yes or no? Cube of 9.
Yes, sir.
1000 is cube of 10.
10.
9 by 10 whole
9
cube
by
is equal
whole
to
cube is equals to
9
9
by
by 10 whole
when
to
base
the
are
power
same, powers can be equated.
equated.
So
N
n
is
is
equal to
3.
3 years.
After 3 years, the rate of the plant has gone down to 3,64,500. Understood? Like this, we should. Understood, Anna? Yes. Next, Pravalika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
I hope you are able to understand, children. If you will please keep copying, children, don't sit idle. So, fifth question. So, fifth question, what they are saying is the value of property decreases every year at the rate of 5%. Value is decreasing at the rate of 5%. Value of property is decreasing. If its value at the end of 3 years, if its value at the end of 3 years is 4 lakhs, after 3 years, 4 lakhs 11,540. What was the original price? What was the original price? Pravalika.
Yes, sir. A is equal to P into R minus 1 minus R by 100 whole to the power of n.
Why minus I took? Because it is depreciation. Yeah, tell me. So after 3 years, it became 4 lakhs.
4 lakh
11,000.
11,540 into P into 1 minus 5 by 100 whole to the power of
Okay.
4 lakh 11,540 is equal to P into 195 by 100 whole to the power of 3.
This goes up, 95 comes down. P is equal to 411,540 into
100 into 100 into 100 by 95 into 95 into 95.
So approximately it's going to be how much, children? It's going to be 4 lakhs 80,000 was initial price. After decreasing at the end of 3 years, it became like this. Sujit, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So initially uranium was 16,000 years initial half-life period. Okay, so at the rate of decays at a constant rate to such a way that it reduces to 50% in 16,000 years. Okay, in how many years will it reduces to 25%? Are you able to understand? So now 16,000 will become, see, he's saying 100% will become 50% in 16,000 years. 50% will become 25% in how many years? Same, 16,000 years. 16,000 years. Same. So total 32,000 years. If nothing is there to do, dear children, you need not worry about this question. Okay. One more question. Sujit, you tell this. Sujit, are you there? Sujit?
Yes, sir.
Hey, yes, sir. 8,000 workers were employed by a company. 8,000 workers are there in a company. 8,000 workers. Okay. So at the end of first year, 5% workers were retrenched. 5% of workers left in 8,000 workers. At the end of first year, 5% left. Then at the end of second year, 5% of workers again left. However, in complete the project in time, the number were increased by 10% of those at the end of the third year. But at the third year, At the third year, 10% came inside. So finally, how many workers are there in third year? Third one, two. So by the end of these 3 years, how many workers are there? Yeah. How many workers are there? Initially, Nana, see here. Initially 8,000. So 5% left means 1 minus.
1 minus 5 by 100.
Second year, 5% left.
1 minus 5 by 100 into
Third year, 10% came inside.
1 plus 10 by 100.
1 plus 10 by 100. So number of workers is 8,000.
8,000 into 195 by 100. 95 by 100 into 110 by 100.
110 by 100. Here 3 zeros gone. Here 3 zeros gone. This gone. This gone. So 8 into
8 into 95 into 95 into 11
by 100.
by
So
100.
it will be around 7,942 workers are there. 7,942 workers are there. Next question, your result. Your result. Exercise 6.8, I'm doing children in Manjit Singh, compound interest 6.8. The present value of machinery is 60,000. No. Initial value is 16,000. Okay. If the value of depreciation is 6% in first year, 6% in first year, depreciation is less. 5% in second year, 5% in second year, and 4% in third year. After these 3 years, what will be its rate? After 3 years, what will be its rate? Yeah, no, amount is equal to?
Amount is equal to 16,000 into 1 minus 6 by 100, 1 minus 5 by 100, 1 minus into 1 minus 5.
16,000 into?
94 by 100, 95 by 100 into 95 by 100.
95. 4 zeros gone. Oh, sorry, sir. 3 zeros gone. Here 1 zero is left over. So how much is the 60?
16 into
94
94 into 95.
Hey, this is 4. This is 4. This is 4 means 96. 94 into 95 is 96 by 1000. Can anyone help me? What is the answer? Can anyone help? 16 into 94 into 95 into 96 by 1000. 3 zeros are there. So what will be its value after 3 years?
So 13,716.48.
716.48 at the end of 3 years. Okay, next Surya, next one. Surya, are you there? The population of city was 20,000. The population of the city was 20,000. Okay, in the year 2000, it increased at the rate of 5%. So at the rate of 5% per annum increase, what will be after 1 year? It's after 1 year, what will be its population? Surya, are you there? Surya? Yeah, Sujit, tell me. Amount is equal to?
Amount is equal to 20,000 into 1
Increase means plus or minus?
Plus 5 by 100 into hold on is equal to 20,000 into 105 by 100.
2 zeros, 2 zeros.
2 zeros.
2 5 10 1 2. So it became 21,000 after 1 year. After 1 year, it became 21,000. Next, Pravalika, you tell. The value of card depreciates at the rate of 10%. The value of card depreciates at the rate of 10%. Depreciates. Its present value is 65,000. The present value of the car is 65,000. The present value of the car is 65,000. What will be its value after 3 years? Yeah, Pravalika, after 3 years, what will be its value?
A is equal to P into 1 minus R by 100 whole to the power of N. A is equal to 65,000 into 1 minus 10 by 100 whole to the power of 3. 65,000 into 90 by 100 whole to the power of 65,000 into 9 into 9 into 9 by 10 into 10 into 10.
So how much? 65 into 729. Can anyone help me? What will be its cost? 65 into 729.
So 47,385.
47,000?
385.
385 rupees. Children, its cost of 3 years. Number next time.
Yes, sir.
Fourth question is like this. In a factory, the production of bikes increased from See, initially it was 20,000. Then it increased it to, the production was increased to 26,620. 26,620. Okay. At the rate of, in 3 years. In 3 years. What will be the rate of increase? How much percentage increase
Yes,
was
sir. Yes, sir. 26,000 amount is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power N.
Hmm.
26,620 is equals to 20,000 into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power 3. 26,620 by 20,000 is equals to 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power 3.
100 whole to the power of 3. This is 0, this is 0.
You're gone.
21331. 1331 is whose cube, Nana?
11 cubes, sir.
Yeah, 11 cube. So 11 by 10
by
whole
10
cube.
whole cube is equals to 1 plus R by 100 whole cube. Cube cancel.
Okay.
11 by 10 is equals to 1 plus R by 100.
11 by 10 is equal to
1 plus R by 100.
R by 100.
11 by 10 in minus 1 is equals to R by 100.
Okay.
11 minus 10 by 10 is equals to R by 100. 1 is equals to R by 100. R is equals to R equals to R by 100 is R is equals to 10%.
10% is the rate of increase. 10% is the rate of increase of production of the vehicles. 10% is the rate of increase of production of the vehicles. Next. Surya, are you there? Surya? Okay, Sujit.
Sir, I'm here, sir. Sorry.
Surya, is there? Next. Next question. The virus of culture decreases at the rate of 5%. Virus decreases at the rate of 5%. The virus decreases at the rate of 5% due to some medicine. If the virus count in the culture was initially 23,000 10 to the power of 7. Initially 23,000 10 to the power of 7. Initially. Okay. Find the virus count after 1 hour, after 2 hours, 11 to after 3 hours. After 3 hours, what will be the virus count? Amount is equal to? Tell Nana.
Sir, amount is equal to 23 into 10 to the, sir, 1 plus 5 by 10, 100 whole 3.
Okay.
23 into 10 to the power of 7, 105 by 100.
Whole to the power of 3. Yeah, next. What will do?
Sir, 23 into 10 to the power of 7 into 105 into 105 into 105 by 100 into 100 into 100.
Means 10 to the power of 6. 100 into 100 into 100 is 10 to the power of 6.
Yes,
This
sir.
and this gone 110 is left.
110.
23 into 10 into
Sir,
105 into
230 into 105 into 105 into 105.
Yeah, 230 into 1. You can anyone help me how much will be this answer? Can anyone help me how much will be this answer? 230 into 105 into 105 into 105. Actually, 230 is 105 and 105. 105 to the power of 5 actually. Here 2 are there, 3, 4, 5. 105 to the power of 5. Can anyone tell me how much will be the answer? 105 to the power of 5. That may will be good. Yes, how much? Anyone? Yes, any idea? Okay, children, you will do this will be the answer. So just you do 105 to 105 to 105 to 105 to 105.